Good morning, class. In our previous class, we have discussed the question number first, second, and third. In today's class, we will discuss about the question number 4 of exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Here you can see the question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangle and the sum of the angle deduced. So what we have to see here, as you know very well that in a triangle the sum of all angle of a triangle is, that is angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So it is 1 multiply 180 degree. As we know, the sum of all angle of a triangle is in triangle the sum of all angle is 180 degree. So 1 multiply 180 is equals to, we have 180 degree. As it is when we go for the quadrilateral, in a quadrilateral we have four side, but by joining the opposite vertex we got two different triangle here, the triangle first and the triangle second. So what will we have? We have two triangle, that means 2 multiply 180 degree, we got 360 degree. So with this we can find that in a quadrilateral the sum of all angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. And like this, when we go further for the pentagon, what will we see? How many triangle we have in a pentagon? When we join this line by this vertex and this line by this vertex, here you can see we have three triangle, the triangle first, triangle second and triangle third. So what will we have? 3 multiply 180 degree. So what will we get? 540 degree. 180 multiplied by 3, the sum of all angle of a pentagon is equal to 540 degree. By this we can find the sum of the different type of shapes. In a hexagon, what will we have? When we join the opposite vertex like this vertex with this and this vertex with this, how many triangle we have? First, second, third and fourth. So now we will have 4 multiply 180 degree. What will we get? 720 degree. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now we will go for the exercise. Ab question number 5. Question number 5 or the basic formula. Before discussing the question number 5, we can count to the basic formula for this. We have number of side, that is equal to n. N is equals to side. So the formula is n minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. So for the triangle we have n is equals to side. So we have 3 minus 2 equal to 180 degree. That means 1 multiply 180 degree is equals to 180. As it is when we go for the quadrilateral, n is equals to side. We have side 4 here. So what will we have the formula? We have formula that is n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. We have n 4 here. So 4 minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. So we have 2 multiply 180 degree. So what will we have? For the quadrilateral 360 degree. For the pentagon, here pentagon, the pentagon n is equals to 5. We have 5. So we have the formula that is n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. So we have 5 minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. So what will we have? 3 multiply 180 degree. That means 540 degree. As it is, suppose I am giving you the the different side. Suppose you have the side n is equals to 10. If I am giving you the n is equals to 10 and I am asking about the angle sum of that figure. If any figure have that side 10, there are 10 side in any figure. Suppose this is a figure like this: first side, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Suppose how many, the sum of all these angle, the angle first, angle second, angle third, angle fourth, angle fifth, angle sixth, angle 7, angle 8, angle 9 or angle 10, angle 10. So what are the sum of this figure and the angle sum of this figure? So what will we have the formula? We have the formula, that is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. We have n is equals to 10, so 10 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. So we have 8 multiply 180 degree. So we can find 144. So we have the angle sum, that is, you can multiply, whether it is wrong or right you can discuss. Sorry, it will be 1440 degree. The angle sum of, when we have any figure which have 10 side, the angle sum of that figure is 1440 degree. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, now we will discuss about the question number 5. The question number 5, what is a regular polygon? State the name of the regular polygon of. Suppose we have given 3 side. What is the name of the polygon which have 3 side? That is triangle. That is triangle. Okay. Ab what is the name of figure, that what is the name of polygon or figure which have 4 side? It will be quadrilateral. Okay, and what is the name of figure which has 6 side? That is hexagon. As it is, when we have the figure 8, we can say that it is octagon. When we have figure with the side 9 side, so we can say that is nonagon, है ना? So that is decagon with the 10 side. So these are the different figure of polygon with the different sides according to question number 5. Okay, now we will discuss the question number 6 here. Question number 6. We have a figure here. This is the figure. We have the angle 130 degree, 50 degree, 120 degree and x. We have to find the value of x. It means we have to find the value of angle x. What is the value of angle x? As we know, as we see here, this is a quadrilateral just because it has 4 sides: the first, the second, the third and the fourth. As we know, here we have discussed earlier that in a quadrilateral the sum of all angle is 360 degree. So we can write it as the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So what will we do? 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x These are the 4 angle and the sum of all these 4 angle is equal to 360 degree. Is it clear to all of you? So now what will we do? We will add all these angle. So what will we get? 130 and 120, that is 250, 250 and 50, it is equal to 300 plus x, 300 degree or x degree. Now we can find the value of x, that is x is equals to 360 degree minus 300. Okay, so we have the value x is 60 degree. Like this we can find the some other different figure, the value of x. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me personally in any question. Here is a different question, like we have a pentagon here. It is a part of question number 6. It is a pentagon. Here is some symbol like this on this figure. This means here is x. We have to find the value of x. So with this what will we do? As we know that the symbol like this means all the sides are equal. If we have sign like this on any figure of any side, we can say that all the sides are equal to each other. Now we can see here we have how many sides we have in this figure? The first, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth. So we have n is equals to 5 here. We have n is equals to 5. So angle sum property आपको पता है polygon की? Angle sum property is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, as we have discussed earlier. So we have number of side is 5. 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So what will we get? 3 multiply 180 degree. Okay, so we have 540 degree. That means we have 540 degree. So we have how many angle we have? We have 5 angle. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. You have to understand that when the all sides are equal, then all angle also be equal. When the all sides are equal, the angle also be equal. So we have 5 angles here. X plus x plus x plus x plus x. Just because all angles are equal, so when it is x, it's also x. This one also x, this one also x and this one also x. The sum of all 5 angle is equal to 540 degree. By this formula we find the what is the sum of all angle of a pentagon? That is 540 degree. So we can find the value of x. X, 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 that is 5x equal to 540. We can find the value of 540 divided by 5. So here we have value x is equals to 5 ones are 5 or 0.8 degree. The value of x is 108. So it is 108. This one is also 108. This one also 108, 108 and 108. Is there any doubt? I hope there is no doubt. So we will solve other questions in our next class. Till then you have to solve these questions in your notebook.